Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and today I'm going to show you how you can configure the session duration for your SmartV portal for your users. So here's my example. I have a portal where my users will log in using whatever fields in Salesforce that I would like to check with a contact or record in Salesforce. I'm checking for contacts that match the email that I am placing in here. Of course, you could have them fill out any of the any fields you would like, and it would check for a match in Salesforce, and then it emails them a verification code. So here it is sending off the email, and it's asking for that email. Let me find it. Here it is, 75017. Perfect. Now we are logged in. Now this portal has nothing to do with my example. I just want to explain that standard is for the session duration to be 120 minutes. So that means that the user will be able to log in to this portal and, well, I guess like have access to this portal from the same IP address for 120 minutes. So if you want to limit how long they are logged in for, or not allow them to be able to leave the site and come back without logging in or verifying their identity again, then this is how you're going to limit that session duration, or just disable the session entirely. So if you're going to start by putting in the SmartV, you'll just go to the settings, go to user access, you will enable the SmartV, and this is where you will configure the conditions of the login. So here I chose that we're going to look for a contact where their email is going to be matched to the email in Salesforce, because emails are a unique way to identify my contacts. Of course, if email is not a unique identifier for your contacts, then you can add in additional fields to make the match unique. Okay, condition, this is if you wanted to limit which of your contacts or whatever object you're using. If you wanted to limit which ones are able to log into this portal, then you can do that here. And then I turned on the two-factor authentication. This is when it emails them a code, and that code is stored within Salesforce. And so I set up a field called SmartV so that that code can go to Salesforce and they can verify it through their email. And then you can choose whether it's going to go to an email, or they can even sign in using Google. All right, you can choose to do a profile, registration, or parameters if you'd like, but that's not necessary. Now, if you want to edit the SmartV configuration as far as like the session duration and other things, you can go to the SmartV page. We'll go to login, and this is how we can edit our login page. So we have access to all these different elements. We can change them. But if you go to the settings wheel over here, this is where we will find the session duration. So if I want the session duration to only be, I don't know, 10 minutes, I could do that. And so that means after 10 minutes, they will be logged out. Or if I wanted to disable this session entirely, then I can click this, and that will just put extra security on our site. So that is how you do it, and I hope that this tutorial has helped. Thank you for watching.